Hey everyone, welcome to TradinginDemand. Another morning review, another morning charting. I hope everyone had a great day. Today, I'm still looking to play short. I'm going to stick to my plan. I'm not going to trade anything that's different just because I think it's going to work. I'm going to focus on my shorts outside value high and longs below value low. But before getting into it, if you guys want, check out my Discord. Post my morning plans, my little journal, just my thoughts throughout the day, let you guys know what I'm thinking, trades and whatnot. Just something I'm trying to start, a little community. So if you're interested, go to the description, check it out. Alright, to get into it, go check out this. Yesterday, it was not bad. Pretty okay action. It was we had the FOMC minutes yesterday, so kind of provided some volatility around 1 o'clock when it came out for Central Time, 2 o'clock for Eastern. But now what I'm looking for is we made supply at the highs of yesterday on a 45-minute time frame, and I'm looking for another retest. We did retest it here, and that could have been a good short for following this trend line. So if we do break this trend line above like we are, a short maybe not be the best idea, because it's showing that we're still pushing higher and that we're moving. But it's short term, it's not that important completely. We could always come back up here, take their stops and then drop, so you never know. So moving on to the next chart. Same old. We did form a volume point of virgin point of control, basically meaning that the highest amount of volume traded at yesterday's price was 3999.75, and this shows me that if we want to return back to the most fair value that we had yesterday, it would be a good target for shorts. So a short from 4022 to 4000 would be decent. That's the plan. My mind missed it already from being up here, and I don't want to chase something that I already missed. So if it comes to me, I'll take it like it is now. If not, oh well. And if you guys remember, I had a weekly extreme zone right here, about here, that I'm going to delete it because it kind of got blown through. It's not really showing us support. The next zone that we could chart is here, but I just don't care for it. It never showed us support again. It did lead to new highs like this, but I don't know, not my favorite. I will be looking, I don't know what this is from. I will be taking the look long if we can get down here at 3920, 3900. I believe that we could easily drop this far down. There's nothing really stopping us at this point. But before we drop down here, I think a move to 4040, 4041, 4065 to here will be in check. So that's something to look out for if you are trying to short the market like I am. I probably will not take this trade, but I will take probably a trade up here. Let me get this going. We do have a low volume node right here. This came from Tuesday's lows, and it's an okay zone. It's not my favorite completely. We have those two zones here. They're okay. It shows, this one showed as support here. And we'll probably just delete this one because this one's still in here. It shows as support, it showed as resistance. So I think that's what we're going to focus on. We do have an untested value area high that I think market is likely to come to. The reason I think it's going to come to it is because when we have these value area highs and value area lows that are untested, price usually likes to attract to them. So if this is similar, I believe we could come up here. Maybe this was the best long, maybe it wasn't. Can't completely tell the future. Wish I could. But yeah, it seems that we might have already missed the long if you wanted to long. I did take an option sim account long because I'm still trying to find that account. I did take one down here, so we shall see what happened here. But yeah, we do have the initial job claims today at 7 p.m. Central, 7:30 a.m. Central, I mean, and then we also have, that's 8:30 a.m. Eastern if you are Eastern. And we also, yeah, basically all tomorrow we have the PCE index at 7:30 a.m. Central, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, which could provide some liquidity, could be something to look for. We are kind of stalling here at the moment, so we might be waiting for market news to come out and see what happens. Now we can possibly look to move on to look at the dollar. So as we saw, we had this little resistance here. The market showed that we had a short-term resistance. It's a zone we've met before. On 1 hour. We are now breaking above this zone. That could tell us that the market is still wanting to drop. So we have a bunch of different indicators right now that are not really being completely clear. We can check out the VIX. The VIX is still dropping. So with the dollar rising, the VIX dropping, and the S&P 500 just kind of sitting. It's a lot of different stuff right now that's kind of not clear to me completely. So I just want to sit on my hands and just wait for a good opportunity that screams out to me. I've been taking just not the best quality trades because I'm trying new things, but I know it works and I need to stick to it. We do have this trend line that we're hitting, so that could be something to look for. And before I let you guys go, I just want to say we are in the value area for the current week. So if we do want to stay in this area, the most fair zone, the fair price for the week is between 423 and 3994. If we break out of this, I think auction market theory says we will probably return. So move here, short, back to here would be possible. And then we have 80% chance to keep moving. So we could possibly come up here, move here, and after move here, find some sellers at these past support zones, now resistance. Look to take a first short 2 at the point of control, and then a second short could definitely be to this 39.15, 39.20. I believe we can possibly get there. So just something to look out for. Hope everyone has a great day, and yeah, I'll see you next one. Thanks guys, see ya.